Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can schedule message on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to open up the Instagram direct messages by clicking on this icon on the top right. Alright, and then I'm going to send a scheduled message to my friend. For example, I'm going to send that scheduled message to this friend. Alright, and then you can type in the scheduled message you want to send. For example, I'm going to type in Happy New Year. Okay. And then if you want to schedule the message, you can simply click on the send button. You can tap and hold on the send button like this until this option appear on your screen. And here you can choose the date and time to send the message. And the time zone is based on your device setting. Okay, for example, guys, I'm going to pick Wednesday, January 1. And I'm going to select for example 12 a.m. Alright guys, and then if you have been ready to send it, you can click on send. Okay, and now the message has been scheduled, and if you want to view the scheduled message list, you just need to click on this option. As you can see, I have scheduled 2 messages. Okay, that's so easy, right? And if you want to send a scheduled message on your group chat, you just need to open up your group chat, and then you just need to do the step I have told you. For instance, I'm going to schedule the message in this group chat. So I'm gonna send the message like this, and then tap and hold on the send button, and then pick the date and time to send the scheduled message. Okay, that's so easy, right? Okay guys, and that's all the way to send scheduled message on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.